In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do text-to-speech in CapCut PC. By the end, you'll be able to turn any written text into a natural-sounding voiceover directly inside your CapCut project without needing any extra software. First, make sure you already have a project open in CapCut on your computer. You should be looking at the main editing workspace with your preview canvas in the center and the timeline along the bottom. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical panel with different options. Look for the one labeled text and click on it. When you open the text panel, you'll see different styles you can use. There are basic text options and animated ones. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and use basic text as our example. You can choose either add heading or add body text, depending on how prominent you want it to be. As soon as you click one of these, CapCut will place a text box on your canvas, and you'll also see a new text track appear on your timeline. Now, click directly on the text box on your canvas and type in the exact words you want to convert to speech. Take a moment to check spelling and punctuation, because the quality of the text will affect how natural the voice sounds. With the text box still selected, look over to the right side of the screen. This is where the Properties panel appears for the selected element. Here, you'll find different settings related to your text. Among these options, locate the one labeled Text to Speech and click on it. CapCut will now ask you to choose a category of voices. These categories help group different styles and languages of voices. Once you select a category, CapCut will load all the available voices for that category at the bottom of the panel. Click through a few and, if preview is available, listen until you find one that matches the tone you're going for. When you've chosen a voice, select it. At the top of the screen, you'll see a progress indicator that says applying text to speech along with a percentage. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet connection and other factors, so just wait for it to complete. When the process is finished, you'll see a confirmation pop up that says speech generated. At this point, your text has been turned into an audio clip and added to your project timeline. You can play it back, adjust its timing, and continue editing your video as usual. And that's all you need to do to use text-to-speech in CapCut on PC.